Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Australian dollar versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Australian dollar versus US dollar first. This is an hourly time frame, and what we can see here is there is a significant support cluster around 0.6284 to 85. This is the level where we had some major reactions on this currency pair, so I will just mark them. And what happened here this morning is that market traded below and now basically returning back into this, above this support area. So there might be a fake breakdown of this support. So if we go here and if we place like the trend line, I can see also that we have kind of the breakout and more like some form of the wedging, but we have more like a ranging. Market slow down drastically this downside power, and we can see that the momentum is returning back to the upside. So there is a chance for potential recovery on this currency pair today, and we might even see recover back to 0.6340. Now, if we go to lower frames, we can see also we have those recent swing highs. Market is kind of reacting around. But if we can clear this and also this pin bar, then there is a good chance for the higher prices towards the 0.6345. Again, because of the potential for the potential fake breakout of this key support cluster. That's a scenario which is most likely scenario for this to develop later on, eventually to rotate higher. Now, alternative scenario will be if the market can clear this low at 0.6270. So take that low and then continue lower. So this will mean that selling pressure is still strong and that we might see lower prices. If we go and check higher time frame, this will mean that we might even go to the 0.6200 area, 210 mark. If we can clear, if the sellers can clear that low and hold below that 0.6270 mark. For now, primary scenario most likely to develop to the upside and recover, have at least upside correction based on this, downside swing. If we speak about the gold market, so I spoke about very key supply trend line, and it was very volatile yesterday around that area. So market did break, and then there was a seller try to attack aggressively, and then buyers actually they're winning the battle. So it was very volatile around this pivot, meaning that this pivot was quite significant and observed by many traders. This volatility, increase in volatility, is actually a good sign, but we can see that market reclaimed this high and we have some pullback. So there is a chance in primary scenario to retest the high at 1997, maybe even eventually 2000 mark. We also have this rising trend line that we established here. So with this tail here, but so far market is supportive. We have this pullback. We don't have any serious sign of exhaustion. And again, if we can retest and retake 1989, there is a chance for 1998, 1997 to be on the test. And that will be the primary scenario for potential retest of that high. Now, the alternative scenario will be, of course, if the market can really sell off, maybe eventually take 1976, go like $10, $12 lower and then hold below, then there will be a chance to retest the pin bar low at 1963 or even area around 1960, 1955. If we speak about the crude oil market, we had a big rejection. There was a fake breakout yesterday of the lows, and market rejected very aggressively, very vertical. And basically it stopped around those lows here. And now this will be the critical pivot point. Anything meaningful to the upside, I will really like to see if market can retake that 86.70 mark, hold above, That will be a good sign for potential rally, maybe to 88 or even 89. That will be just one example, one potential scenario. From other side, if there is anything to the downside, we have those recent swing highs. If anything meaningful to the downside, I will like to see some bigger drop and hold below potential retest of the pin bar low at 83.06. For now, it seems like the buyers are picking up momentum again, and that we might see the retest of this cluster. So those are the two scenarios that I'm observing. And we have a Bitcoin. We spoke about this potential consolidation, and we have that consolidation. It seems like we're building more like ascending triangle kind of situation here that we might hold for now. There will be a breakout of 35,200 and hold above. That will be a pretty good sign for the rally, even to the 38,000 mark, 38,000 mark. But only if we can clear and we contract enough so we have a clear breakout. Otherwise, if market can clear the pin bar lows at 32,600 area and hold below, then there is a chance for rotation back up, maybe to 31,000, 29,000, 30,000. So for now, again, strong upside environment in the background, and for now, consolidation and triangle in creation. That will be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good trading day, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.